What's up, gorgeous people? This is the Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and I'm back with another mystery jewelry jar. This time, this is a very petite, small craft jar. I love buying craft jars from these people and just either reimagining what the jewelry could be or restoring the jewelry, repairing it, making it so that it's wearable again and somebody else can enjoy it. Or maybe myself even. So in this video, I have a small craft jar that I bought from that same seller where I got the vase from that you guys saw me unbox in my first video. So here is the small craft jar, and it said in the listing that most of it was wearable, but nothing like name brand or anything like that. And I'm not concerned about that. Who needs name brand? I don't. So let's see how much of this stuff. This is cute. This is cute. This is one of those bracelets that you like tighten up. Yeah. Well, usually it works, but this is one of those bracelets. Let me see if I take it off, if I can tighten it. Maybe it's just needs a little bit of work here. Hold on. Oh, no, she having trouble. Okay, and that's fine. I will figure that out. But this is cute. I like this little beaded bracelet. We spent a lot of time on that. This one's along the same lines. This is really cute as well. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Does this one work? See, this one works. See? Did you guys see that? Okay, hold on. This is how it's supposed to go. Like, you pull these out, you put it on, and then you tighten it to what you need for your wrist. Okay? That's how that one's supposed to work, but it's stuck for some reason. Not sure why. Guys, this looks almost Indian, I think. I could be wrong. This is so pretty, though. I like this. Everybody's taste to each them. Maybe they just put these things in here because they didn't think anybody would like them, but they've never come across someone like me. Okay, wait your turn, guys. Ooh, this is super interesting. Check that out. So it's got all the beads on the bottom, and it's like a scarf type situation. Honestly, low-key, I'm feeling this. Like, I'm feeling this. I would tighten it up more, make it so it's not so long maybe, but yeah, I actually like that one. So that's cute. This one has YMCA, and then it's got like a bunch of people on it. It's a pin. It's a pin, and that's what it looks like. It's got all the different metal tones, so that's kind of cute. What are you? Like, what are you supposed to be? I don't even see a clasp for this. It would be kind of hard to double up as a bracelet for someone like me. So, I mean, I could turn it into a bracelet and add a clasp to it. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but we'll figure it out. And here's some beads, green beads that are just really plain. I'll probably use these in a craft, most likely. Oh, this is cute. What does it say on it? Kristen, I have your bracelet, girlfriend. It's right here. That's cute for a kid. This would be so cute for a kid. So if I come across a kid and their name's Kristen, there you go. That's cute. All right. This is a pendant. No? It's like a keychain, but it's got a pin on it. The Great Seal of the State of Ohio, 10 years. I mean, I live in Ohio. So, I mean, maybe I can use this or something. I have no idea. That's interesting. But it's a pin. Okay. What do we have here? All right. Is this really on there? It is. Okay, that's interesting. How does this go? Oh, okay. So it goes like this. We have a very busy necklace. Definitely a wearable necklace for someone. I don't know. I mean, it's not that I wouldn't wear it. It's just that, I'm not super excited about it, but it's fine. Maybe someone else will be. Oh, this is so cute. The ice cream cone. Stop it. This would be great for a little girl. Look how cute this is. Stop it. I mean, stop it right now. And then it's got all the different tones on the necklace. That is so cute for a little girl. I can't with that. That is so cute. Okay. All right. Figuring this stuff out is always fun. Oh, here we go. It goes like this. It's a necklace. Definitely a wearable necklace. Nothing super exciting, but it's cute. I mean, it's fine. Okay, what else do we have in this little fishbowl of goodies? Fashion Angels. This is magnetic bracelet. Here's what the bracelet looks like. It's actually cute. Doesn't look like there's any stones missing. How about that? Usually when you get these craft jars, the stones are missing. Like there's a lot of different things wrong. But this one, that's not the case. It says Fashion Angels on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to catch that, but whatever that means. So that's fine. What else do we have in here? How does this go? I don't know. So here's this. I mean, it looks like it should be a bracelet. I don't know how you would attach it, but it looks like it's supposed to be a bracelet. Like the attachment's missing or something. So I don't know. I'll figure that out. What does this say? Another YMCA. It's a YMCA pin. Are these popular? I don't know. So there you go. Another YMCA pin. Oh, these are little ice creams. Wait, they look like they have a little ice cupcake. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. This is like a cupcake, right? It's got a whale in the cupcake with like maybe it's like a narwhal. And then it like looks like ice cream. How cute are these? Stop it right now. That would be adorable for a little girl. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, let's dump what's left. So we have these earrings here. These guys. Just little button earrings. And usually when you get craft jars, you're lucky to get matches earrings. So we have these little hoops. And these are super cute. Like, I'm loving this one. There are two of them, but I'll just show you one so you can see what it looks like. How cute is that? That is adorable. And then we have a solo earring. Now, that is usually what you get in a craft jar. Just a solo, like, stud earring. Okay, that's normally the kind of stuff that you get. This was cute, you guys. I don't remember how much I paid them for this, but I think it was very minimal, maybe 10 bucks or something like that. 100% worth it. Loved this little cute fishbowl jar. So, definitely use a lot of this stuff for the kids at my son's school. And then the rest of it I might craft with, or some of it I'm actually going to wear. So this is a win-win, right? Okay, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. I have the seller... I will have her name in the description box below. I got this from Depop. I will put her username on Depop in the description box below in case you want to go check her out and see if she has anything that you might be interested in. La la la. How fast can I talk, right? All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you on my next one.